Hello everyone, welcome to class 3 of Python programming. We'll discuss about strings in today's class. So we learned how to make a list, how to store numbers. Now let me write a name here, Amit. So if I print here, print A, I will get Amit. Amit, if you want to know what is the type, then here along with print I can write ID of A. Also I can write type of A. Now if I run it, I got Amit. ID I got, this is the ID, and this is the type, it's string type. Because I've written something within quotes. Suppose I write B Pathak, and I want to add A and B, then what will happen? Suppose I want to print C is equal to A plus B. I want to print it, print C. Then here, if you write 10 and 20, 10 plus 20, you get 30. But if you write Amit and Pathak, if you add, you get Amit Pathak. If you want to get a gap here, you write D and then plus D here. D should come here, right? Gap, then B. You run it. See, Amit Pathak, we need a gap here. This is empty string, right? We have a gap here. See, we got the gap here. If you don't want to write another one, you just give a gap here. If you see, this is the 0th one, that way it will continue like lists, and we don't need another one. You print it, so you get Amit Pathak. I have given a gap here. You can give a gap here also. Suppose you want to, this is called concatenation. You want to print one by one. You need to print A0. Then A1, then A2, then A3. You'll be able to get all Amit AMIT. Not only that, you can print from right side as well. The same thing I can do this way. If you want to go from left side, you have to start with the index 0, then it will continue 0, 1, 2, 3 that way. However, if you want to start from the right hand side, suppose you want to print from T, it will start with -1. So let me replace by -1, then -2, then -3, then -4. So -1 for this T, -2 for this, -3 for this, -4 for this. Amit, I got T, AMIT. Okay. Amit, it's changed here. Now see, from the downside, AMIT. That means if you want to print A, you can write A -4. If you want to print A, if you start from directly here, taking index 0, you will get A. That is the first one, index 0. From right side, if you come, it will be index -4. You can write this way, 0. These are the indices, 0, 1, 2, 3. And then I should write this way, -1, then -2, then -3, then -4. Here, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. 0, 1, 2, 3, you can write this way. From this way, if you want to come this way, -1 to -4. If you want to print the first one A, you can use 0 index or -4 index. I've written -4 index here, if you check. If you want to print M, 1 or -3, you can use. If you want to print I, you can use 2, -2. If you want to print T, 3, -3, that way you can print. The same thing will also hold good for a list. If I write a list here, instead, here I can change 10, 20, 4 I've taken, right? So I've taken a list here, copy. Now I have to delete all this, otherwise it will create problem. Now see here, I got 10, 20, 30, 40. Here also, I got 10, 20, 30, 40. Now, if you remember in the last class, we talked about lists. We'll do more about lists in the subsequent classes. Now, let me write another one, Ramit. I can print 1, 1. Suppose I want to print 2. Then I can use this way, print C. You write within brackets this one, you will get all. This is equivalent to printing only C. However, we'll use this way so that we can slice it. Slicing means taking a part, like slicing the bread. Suppose we want RA. You can take the indices. You want to start only 2 or maybe 3, then how you can do. Now, if I have not written anything, it will take everything. Suppose I say I want up to 4. 4 means you count from index. This is 0, R is 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. But it will not print all. 4 means up to 4 minus 1, 3 it will print. It will print up to 3. If you write 5 here, then it will print all. 5 means up to index n minus 1. If this is n, then n minus 1. This is 5 means up to 4th index. This is 0th index. This is 4th index. Even if you write 50, you get the same thing because you don't have anything after t. Now write 3 here. 3 means up to 2nd index. 3 letters you will get here, RAM, RAM. 3, this is the 3rd index, right? 2nd index, RAM. Up to 2 it will print. Now suppose you don't want from start, you want from M, okay? So here not n minus 1, RAM you count 0 index, 1 index, 2nd index. So you write 2 to everything. That means starting from 2 index, not n minus 1 here, exactly starting from the same number, same index value. Index value is 2. So 0, 1, 2, starting from m, all. So mi2 we got. Suppose you write here, starting from the first index, you want the mid part now. You write, suppose 4. 4 means what? 3. It will go from one index to the third index. This is 0th index, leave it. One index is A, so A will be printed. Then second, third, n minus 1. Exactly from here to this minus 1. That means 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. AMI. You will get AMI this way. So this is called slicing the string. Okay. So it's similar to list. Whatever way we have done in list, the same way we can get it here. We have some more methods, but we will not discuss in this class. We'll continue in the subsequent classes. Thank you a lot.